In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play audio files with a Discord bot. By the end, you'll know exactly which tools you need, how the voice pipeline works, and how to connect your bot to a voice channel, load a local audio file, and play it using Discord Pi's voice features. First, make sure Python 3 is installed on your system. You can confirm by opening a terminal and running Python version or Python 3 version. If that command returns a Python 3 version, you're good to go. If not, download the latest Python 3 release from the official site and install it. Using a virtual environment is a good idea to keep your bot's dependencies organized, but it isn't required. Next, install the Discord library with voice support. In your terminal, run pip install discord pi voice. The voice extra ensures the voice related components are available so your bot can join calls and stream audio. If you already have discord.py, consider upgrading with pip install udiscord.py voice to avoid version mismatches. Now install FFmpeg. This is the engine that decodes and streams your audio to Discord. After installing, make sure FFmpeg is on your system path so it can be called from anywhere. You can verify by running ffmpeg version in your terminal. If the version prints out, you're set. With the tools ready, here's the simple flow your bot will follow to play audio. First, connect to the user's voice channel. The bot needs to know which channel to join, so in a command handler, you'll typically check the author's current voice channel and call await channel.connectate. That returns a voice client attached to the guild. Second, load an audio source. For local files, create a source using Discord, ffmpeg, PCM audio, and pass the path to your file like a .mp3 or .wave. Keep the file in a known location relative to your script so the path resolves cleanly. If you want volume control, you can wrap the source with discord.pcm volume transformer, but that's optional. Third, play the source using the voice client. Call voice client.play source. It's a good practice to check voice client.is playing and stop any existing playback before starting a new one to prevent overlap. You can also pass an after callback to handle cleanup or logging when the track finishes. To put it together with the commands bot framework, create a command such as play. Inside it, get the author's voice channel, connect if not already connected, build your FFmpeg PCM audio source from a local file, and call play on the guild's voice client. With Python 3, discord.py voice, and FFmpeg in place, that's all you need to reliably stream local audio into a Discord voice channel.